So, end of day, December 4th, a Thursday, and just at the shop here. Dad's doing a little sweeping, and Aidan is still doing some axle maintenance here. And special guest star, Donnie Lindell. Hi Donnie, how you doing? There's Nina Pinta Santa Maria, and around here we got Georgie Porgy. That's Donnie's dog. I think he's somewhere around here. I saw him earlier. And we got one tire back on here, and Aidan's just doing torquing it back in, and I think they still have some bearings to install on this one.
There's bearings and seals and whatnot.
Okay, so we don't have them in yet. Were we able to match it up okay?
You don't know for sure.
Okay, well anyways, these are the old ones. And the bearing was absolutely destroyed, so we hope we can get them. Okay. Anyways, so yeah, Aidan's working on the one tire here, and then this one will just slip on to the back there, and they got to do the one tire.
I just got to torque her right up. I did, and then I backed her off. No, just torque her right up first.
Anyways, these guys are talking about torquing, and then so still working on this tire here, which will go back into place once they have that one done. And really cold here last couple of days. Yesterday couldn't even start my mother's car, and CAA was a 999 minute wait. And they also have quite a few people didn't make it into work where I work today, but Dad's gonna work. And there's Georgie Porgy. Hi Georgie Porgy. And there your papa's got more treats for you. Yeah, so Georgie just loves the shop and loves her new papa, and Georgie just decided that Donnie Lindell was her new master. Just showed up one day there a couple months ago. Anyways, they talked to the Bombardier owners there yesterday, and they're going to be their financing came through, so hopefully we can get one machine in here probably by Monday. They're going to come up here and they're going to help with the Bombardier disassembling and reassembling. That's the only way that's going to work, because we got too many hours to put in and we don't have enough manpower. And Dad is 83 and can only work a couple hours a day, and so he's more on the supervision end of things these days. And thank God Aidan is back, because he can do a lot of that heavy lifting. And so we'll let these guys continue on, and then maybe I'll check in with Dad. So here's the customer's machine again. Like I stated, Dad didn't like how it wasn't coming up to temp fast enough, so he changed out the thermostat, and he wanted to do a few other improvements before it went out the door. Those repairs were done gratis for the customer, but he would have had this rolled out of the shop, and he probably just parked it here to test it out and see what's going on. And I'll ask him about it, and we'll have to turn it off at the end of the day here. But balmy minus 25 or so, and it is cold, cold, cold. And we got to work on these two Bombardiers down here. Funding's come through, but I got to get the down payment from the customers on those ones to get them moving into the shop. And it's going to be the red wide gauge first. But I'll check in with Dad and Aidan on their progress here today. Yeah.
Open the door on the driver's side and take a picture of the oil temperature, water temperature, oil pressure, water temperature, and alternator.
Okay. So Dad sent me out here to check the gauges. Okay, what are you guys doing here today?
We're just cleaning up the head. We got the gaskets on. We're gonna put the head on here right away. Or
Okay.
the intake head.
Okay. Is it pretty good shape or pretty rough?
No, it's okay. It's carbon up.
Yeah.
Running too cold.
Okay.
Boss.
Charlie's just barking for me to come in, and that's Nina's big brother. Just loves her Charles.
What? No, that's okay.
Are you having fun yet, Aidan?
I'm always having fun,
Yeah.
especially when things don't go right the first time. When they get interesting.
Little swearing today or what?
Hardly any,
Hardly any.
except when the chimney lit on fire.
Oh, well, that was the story we're going to have to find out about.
Yeah.
Hey, pet you more? Okay, I'll pet you more. You're a good old dog.
This one, or maybe do this one first and then that one. It's set for 35 pounds. It's right there. Let's bring it here. Quick.
Okay, so what's going on here? What are you doing? So these guys know.
Torquing the intake in.
Okay.
35 pounds. Okay. The end ones are the last ones. That's it.
You want me to double check them all up?
Same old.
So, bit of an update here on the Muskeg Tractor. Still don't have the bearing in stock. That's what I hate about Fridays, is if you don't have the part on Friday, we gotta wait till at least Monday. So they've got this tire here, and then everything else is right here. So basically waiting. That's why they switched over to working on that engine. Okay, so end of day here. Aidan's probably got to run here right away, and Dad and I are going to have an end of day wet. But looks like they had a busy day here on Friday, and we're just waiting on parts here for that back wheel. Aidan's got to run, and we're just checking the thermos or the furnace here again, and that's it for today. Well, it's Saturday, December 6th, and we got the whole dog team here waiting for breakfast. So we got Mila, and we got Yeti the Yetters, Filipino Emily, Charles in charge, and he spent the night in the shop last night because it's too cold. And Kitty the cat is over here. And then Nina Pinta Santa Maria is over there just waiting for the leftovers, whichever comes. So very cold in the shop this morning. Just started the fire and hopefully it warms up soon.